Finally, I am doing a follow-up video to one of my best videos ever that got a lot of feedback, views, comments, good, negative, everything. But it's because I think it really opened a lot of eyes, opened a lot of minds, and I got everyone talking. And that's my video where I talked about my age-old skincare process, which is washing my face with warm water. I still believe that when warm water touches our skin, it declogs the pores, it opens the pores. And I know many women are gonna not like this because I've had a lot of negative criticism. But see, I'm 62. That's how we were taught. And even my doctor talks about opening pores. When our pores are open and exposed, it's like when you're washing your pots and pans with grease. You use hot water, right? We don't use hot water on our faces, but maybe if it's a little bit lukewarm, then it's removing the grease, because this grease can get lots of dirt with it, right? So what I'm sharing is what I've been doing since I was like, I don't know, 15, 16. And then while my pores are open, I wash with my Avene or my transparent pear soap. And then when it's really washed, I rinse it still with lukewarm water. I rinse with warm water because while everything is on there, I don't want them to get clogged in the pores. When I know that my face is thoroughly clean, then I rinse with very cold water. And I've got comments where, oh, it's gonna break your capillaries or whatever. It didn't with me, but check with your doctor to make sure that warm and then suddenly cold water or freezing water is safe for your skin, because our skin can be very thin as we get older. So we're hoping our skin is thick enough to take all of these treatments, right? And once a month, I do my ice rub. That really works for me because there are so many products around, right? We can get so overwhelmed. We don't know what to do. We don't know which to get. We don't know which to try or test. But see, whatever it is that we try, it's always good to stick to the processes that worked for our grandmothers, for our mothers, because they just might work for us. Hello there. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for visiting. Is this your first time? I am so happy to meet you. My name is Jackie. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for supporting my channel. My goal is to help you build your self-esteem, whether it's through skincare, through positivity, through mental health, through staying healthy, through fashion, or even makeup. Anything that makes us women feel good about ourselves, right? I'm 62 years old, turning 63 this August, and I tell you that it's okay to test products, but make sure, disclaimer, make sure to talk to a doctor, your dermatologist, someone you trust who is in the medical field or in the aesthetics field, so that you know that what you're doing is safe for your skin. But I've tried a lot, I've shared a lot of products. Bottom line is, whatever it is that we do to our face, whatever it is that we add, whatever treatment we go for, I would say that the number one secret to keeping your skin clear is washing your face thoroughly with water. Whatever soap or cleansing agent you use. I love my pear transparent soap. It's a really old soap. And I don't know when it was created, when it was manufactured, but I love my pear transparent soap. Another one that I can tell you really works is papaya mask. I make it from scratch and it helps with my scars and blemishes. In January, I tried the ordinary retinol, 2%, and I had breakouts, 5 breakouts in 6 days. So that scared me a lot. And I had scars, 3 here and 2 here. They're gone now, and this one is very light because I use my papaya mask. So things that are in our garden, things that we can buy in the grocery store, maybe one day I'll do avocado, whatever. If I'm gonna scramble some eggs, I have to remember to save about a tablespoon of egg white. Leave it there for about an hour. You can feel how your skin becomes tight, but after that, your skin is just so glowing. And I'm gonna do a video on that separately. If you're liking my video so far, if you find it helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Smash the like button. Comment and share my video in case someone might be looking for something like this. It's very expensive to buy products. Honestly, now there's inflation everywhere. We can't spend so much money on all of these things. So sometimes it's a good idea to go back to our roots, what our grandmothers taught us, what our moms taught us, right? And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would love you to subscribe to my channel, and then that way you might find videos that can inspire you or uplift you. And you can also help me share positivity and empowerment among every woman out there. We need to lift each other up and fix each other's crowns. Don't forget, take care of yourself and enjoy your youth while you can. Appreciate yourself and love yourself every step of the way. Bye for now.